Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Roxy Roy's YouTube channel, guys. I'll be back testing the RSI Overbought and Oversold strategy 100 times, guys. So I'll give you guys the breakdown of the result at the end of the video. So what I'm basically trading on is if I see, for example, you can see this market is purely oversold, guys. You can see RSI is above, way above the 80 or the 70, yeah, the 70 overbought line. So all I do is I use the ATR 1.5. You can see 169 ticks, or you can call it 16 pips, but I like to use 169 ticks. So 169 ticks times 1.5 ATR, which is 254. So yeah, our stop is gonna be 254. So 254 to be our stops. Our take profit will be at 1.5. Yep, around here. I'm gonna leave it 149. So 1.49, sorry. Alright, so this is obviously this was a loss, so you can see this trade was a loss. So yeah, that's just the idea behind this strategy. And okay, so guys, let's get into the video. And before I go, guys, I will make this video a time lapse, because if I keep talking when I'm making this back testing, then this video will probably be like 2-3 hours long, because it took me 3 hours or 4 to back test this RSI Overbought and Oversold strategy. So I will make a time lapse, so I won't be talking. You'll be seeing the screen back testing the strategy. So I will get back to you guys at the end of the back testing. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the back testing. So I have my stats here with me. We took a total of 100 trades, and we won 49 and we lost 51. I used a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, so every win we made, we took a 1.5 R on that trade. So at the end of the trade, like I'm seeing on my stats here, we lost 10 trades in a row with this strategy, guys. That's insane. 10 trades in a row is insane. And for the win, we had 5 wins in a row, and that's nowhere near the 10 losses in a row. So, well, you win some, you lose some, you still make income. So at the end of the trades, I was risking 1% on every single trade. I used the 10K account figure, so I was risking $100 on every single trade, and at the end of 100 trades, we made a 5% increase, which is $500 US. So guys, that's just basically, that means this strategy is not that good. I would not recommend you guys trade this strategy, because it's like a coin flip, and you really need to have a badass edge in this Forex game. And trading of RSI Overbought and Oversold strategy, based on my own recommendation, it's not worth it. It is not worth it. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys subscribe, like, share, comments. Let's grow this channel and let's see how far we can go. And as we grow, of course, the quality of the videos is going to increase. I don't have quite enough equipment to make good videos, but wherever I have to use it. So guys, I hope you guys bear with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a Telegram group where I share free signals every once in a while. So if you're interested in that, click the link. The first link in the description is going to be the link to the Telegram group. You can follow me on Instagram. That will be much appreciated, because I'll be doing a lot of giveaway on my Instagram account. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day. Peace.